Hello friends, welcome back to Christine Diary's YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to install cluster lashes at home. It's super easy, beginner friendly, and also it's natural looking. So if you want to know how to install the lashes at home, kindly keep watching the video. So the eyelashes comes according to the length. We have 18, 16, 16, 14, 14, 12, 12, 10, 10, and then 8. And also the palette comes with different types of eyelashes. We have 10D, we have 20D, these ones. We have 30D, 30D, it's the one that I've been using a lot. And also we have the 40D. And today I'll be using the 40D. Yeah, so I'll use the 18, I'll use 16, I'll use 14, 12, 10, then 8. So we're going to place them here so that we can see them well. And I'm going to pluck one. I will arrange them according to how I install them. I'll use just one 18, then the 16. I'll use 216. Then I'll use 14. I'll use 214 on one eye. Then 12 I'll use 2. That's 12. And then I'll use 10. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use 8. Yeah, I'll use 10, and then it's 210, and then I'll use 1 8, the shortest. So I arrange them from the outer corner of the eye to the inner corner. So this is how they look. Now we're gonna apply the lash glue. This one. I apply, then let it for like some seconds. If not seconds, maybe 1 minute. So that they may be sticky. Yeah, so this is how I apply the glue. Just a little bit, not a lot. Like this. So after I apply, I press it back. I take the second. I try to arrange them according to the length so that I cannot confuse them. This is the second. I press it back. This is the third one. I just apply little this at the bottom of the eyelash. And okay, I prefer to apply the glue to all the eyelashes of one eye, then I can install when they are sticky. So I'm gonna apply to all the eyelashes, and I make sure I arrange them in a line so that I don't confuse when installing the lashes. I get some more glue. And so when I install the lashes, they last for like 2 weeks. And I'm not a professional in doing this. I'm just showing you how I do it, okay? So this is how we apply it. I'm on the last one. Yeah, so I'm done with the lashes for the one eye. So these are the lashes after I applied the golden glue. After I applied the glue on the first lashes, I apply some more glue on my eyelashes like this. I'll be using this mirror, so if you see me looking the other side, it's the mirror. Then I check the longest eyelash and I start with the outer corner of the eye, like this. You stick it on the outer corner. And make sure you don't stick it on the skin, you stick it on your own eyelashes. This is the second one. You don't leave a space. You stick it like that. Then use the eyelash applicator to then you continue doing like that. The most important thing is that you don't stick it on the skin, because it will irritate you. It will cause irritation. You just stick it on your own eyelashes, like this. So I'll use the mirror. You just place it and it will stick on the blue. Then you make sure you stick them close to each other. And this is the second last one. This is how it looks. So I'll use the eyelash applicator to make it firm. I'll press it down to make it firm and also stick to the natural eyelash. You press inwards and also on the outward corner.